When they die, I bet they'll be high. They'll fly away. They'll be high and so blaze. They'll be high in the morning. What? Are you laughing at her or me?
Her. I know, baby.
Can you have my toothbrush?
Seriously?
Yeah.
Here.
I had to clean out from underneath my nails.
Oh my gosh. That is so gross.
I just wanted to like brush my tongue off.